Hello guys, welcome. This is Encisso Art Academy. The Art Academy for those who have the insatiable need to express themselves through drawing. My name is Alexander. If you want to learn how to create amazing realistic portrait, I want to propose you a challenge. This is a 20-day challenge that will take your drawing skill to the limit. The idea is to make one portrait per day. Each week we are going to work with different races, and each day of the week we are going to work with different characters. The first day of the week we are going to work with a female character. Then we are going to work with a male character. Wednesdays and Thursday we are going to work with children. So we are going to learn how to make a boy's portrait and a girl's portrait. Fridays we are going to make a portrait of an elderly person, and on the weekends we are going to add a little more complexity to the reference photos. You can download the reference photos totally for free at enciso.com/challenge. I will accompany you on this journey. If you want to check my drawing of this challenge, you could see each day on this YouTube channel. During this challenge, I will going to use the Encisso method to create realistic portrait. This is a really easy but effective method to create amazing portrait. If you want to learn a little bit more about this method, you could check my book. It's called Portrait Fundamentals. This book is available in Amazon, or you could look inside what is inside this book on enciso.com/books. Also, if you want to learn how to create portrait, if you like learn all this technique, all this method more in detail, you could subscribe to my course Portrait Fundamentals on enciso.com. In this course, we are going to go very deeper on each step of the process. I am going to explain to you how to draw eyes, how to draw nose, how to draw lips, everything you need to know about how to make portraits. Don't forget, post your portrait in social media with the hashtag Enciso Challenge, so you could receive feedback from the community, and you could see all the portraits that the people are doing during this challenge. Okay guys, I hope you like this challenge. Let me know in the comments what you think about this challenge, and I see you in the first day. God bless you guys. Bye.